Hi, welcome back. Welcome to this forecourt film for our absolutely incredible 2009 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is the E280. It features a 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine. The car itself has only done 50,000 miles. It has only had one owner from new, and also comes with full Mercedes-Benz service history. It's been serviced at Brooklands all the way through its life. It is in absolutely staggering condition. I mean, this car is just over 12 years old, in fact coming up to 13 years old at the beginning of next year. But the condition is absolutely sublime. We've just had all 4 alloy wheels acid stripped, powder coated and painted back in this beautiful silver metallic. They are all completely unmarked with new badging all the way around. The bodywork is absolutely exceptional. The car has been kept garaged throughout pretty much all of its life. There are very, very few signs of any of wear anywhere. I will just point out a couple of the ones just to show you a couple of tiny little bits, but really and truly there's certainly not a lot to show you here at all. All the way around, I don't think the car's had any paintwork as far as I can see from new. There is absolutely no signs that that's been done at all. The engine bay is absolutely beautiful. The front bumper all the way around is in lovely condition. There are a couple of very tiny little scratches just down there which have been touched in rather than repainting the thing, but just look at the quality of the paintwork everywhere else and the grille and everything like that. This is a very unique opportunity. There can't be many of these left around in this sort of condition. Another nice feature is the Xenon headlights here at the front with the headlight washers. The inside is equally immaculate. No signs of any scuffing or anything like that. The door cards completely unmarked. Driver's bolster showing pretty much no signs of any wear. A couple of very small telltale signs, but it is absolutely exceptional. So normally on this part of the video we'll be walking around and just sort of showing you little blemishes here and there and everywhere, but there really isn't anything to point out to you at all. The car's been upgraded with this beautiful twin electric sunroof with blinds. Like I said, full black leather all the way through, lovely white stitching. Doesn't really look like the back seats have hardly had any use at all. Headlining all absolutely perfect, completely unmarked. Boot area, again, perfect. Got split folding rear seats here, so you just pull this back there and fold the seats down. Underfloor storage. We just jump in and show you some of the features on the inside. We have an electric memory seat here for the driver, standard normal seat, non-electric for the passenger, but with 3-stage different memories there, and then we also have power folding door mirrors as well. The steering wheel, completely beautiful, hasn't gone all nasty and shiny. All the stitching and everything like that is in fantastic condition. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. Come across to the main console here. It's absolutely like new. See the mileage today, 50,361. We've got dual zone climate control here, so it's separate temperatures for driver and passenger. And then down here to the command system where we've got navigation, radio, and then I think we've got CD changes and all that kind of stuff as well. Again, all absolutely perfect, no scratches or marks to any of the buttons or anything in here. 3-stage heated seats for the front 2 occupants. And just beautiful and clean absolutely everywhere. Got your locking wheel nuts, all your books and manuals in there. Got a huge service history folder. Got cruise control. Also have paddle shift gear change as well. and then a full sort of onboard computer setup on here for all of your trip details, bringing up navigation controls and things like that. We also have an electrically adjustable steering column, so that's all done there on the memory as well. And then, like I said, this beautiful tilt and slide sunroof as well. But yeah, I haven't seen an interior quite as clean as this for a long time. This is absolutely exceptional, again, especially when you consider that the car is 12 and a bit years old. So yes, apart from that tiny little mark just down there on the front bumper that I've shown you, I don't think there's anything else to point out. The car is pretty much as new, and it's very rare that you kind of use terminology and things like that. But yeah, the car is absolutely exceptional. I don't think you'll find another one available for sale today in quite such beautiful condition, with one owner from new and full Mercedes service history. If we can help with any further information, if you require any close-ups on anything, or if you would like any finance figures, or you have a part exchange to value, then please do let us know through our website, which is jajarvis.co.uk. We're more than happy to help, and ultimately we'd love to be able to show you the car in person. Thanks very much again for watching, and we'll see you next time.